In this video I will describe you Windows 11 Dev version, OS built 23435 and what is new features of this version of Windows 11. See Windows 11 23435 version. Notify me to restart computer. Restart your computer. See Windows 11 23435 version installed in my computer. What is the new features this version of Windows 11? In this build come with new Gallery in File Explorer, and Gallery also works from the file picking dialog. Different treatments of badging on the Start menu, highlighting the benefits of signing in with a Microsoft account for users logged in with a local user account. Pizza icon in File Explorer's command bar to denote previewing the Windows App SDK version of File Explorer. New presence sensor privacy settings under Settings if your device supports it. Many more known issues and fixes. That's it. Enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.